Have you seen house with tap like that when you driving around? You might have opportunity to earn up to $1,000 as a thank you. There's another one with sign for sale. So we're not looking for houses that is listed for sale with an agent. We're not looking for houses that in perfect conditions. We are looking for houses that look a little bit outdated, distressed physically, need some work, need some love, and something that essentially look like this as well. A lot of junk. Sometimes you see houses with car, and it was staying there look ugly. It make your house value drop as well because of the neighbor. What if you could improve your neighbor without you spending the time rehabbing that house, without you buying that house, without you confronting with that seller, with that homeowner, something like this too, and potentially pick up money for yourself as an extra cash. If it is $500, look like this one too. So you might pass by opportunity all the time with me just driving like 2 minutes. Opportunity, don't pass that. Make sure you are passing along to Angel Home Solutions, and we will do everything. We will do everything for you. We'll do everything to reach out to the homeowner, and then if we can buy the house, we will send you a $500 either cash or check. If you prefer a gift card, we can make a $500 gift card. If we can make a good profit at the back end, we'll send you another $500. So that's it. It's free money while you've been driving around in your neighbor all the time. No extra tasks you need. If you like to earn even more, you can drive more area and just keep sending us the property address. You don't have to send us the seller information if you don't have that. I bet you don't have that, but the address, the area, let us know. And if you could snap some picture and text us that, or email that to us at Angel Home at info. So info at angelhomesolution.com, and Angel Home Solution without S. And then we'll take it from there, and we'll keep in touch. We're not gonna forget you. We'll keep a track on who sent us each property, so that everyone will get their share. Everyone will get their referral fee that we are offering. So we want to keep it rolling. We want to keep the volume coming. The only way to do that is to give you that money, so that it is proven we are serious. So anyway, thank you so much. And if that is useful, if you know anyone that drive a lot, someone that work in Uber, someone that work with Lyft, someone that do whatever it is that driving around, like UPS, FedEx, USPS, or you're just driving to work a lot, why struggle with that freeway, right? It is crazy out there. The traffic is crazy on the freeway. You can drive the local route when you can, and then potentially pick up that $500, $1,000 a month. Maybe you can refer a couple property to us, and we close on both in a month. We'll send you that double referral program, right? So there's no limit in terms of referral program. Thank you. I hope this is helpful. Please share and like and pass on to whoever you know. Thank you so much again. And together, you can help the seller out. They might be in a situation where they need to sell, but they don't know who to sell to, how to sell without rehabbing the house. The house is in a really bad situation, in a really bad conditions, and they're just stuck. Why stuck with the house, right? When there is a resource like Angel Home Solution, where there's tremendous house, the tremendous buyer that potentially help them buying as is, and we pay all cash too. So there's no bank for them to worry about. There's no appraisal. There's no inspection. We are here to do this business. We buy houses all the time. So here's the benefit: the seller get what they need. They get the house off their shoulder, the burden off their shoulder. They pick up the cash. They improve their life conditions and improve the neighbor. You improve your neighbor, so the house value in your area will be increased. After we rehab the property, the price of that house will be also increased, so that essentially help your house value as well. So that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.